How to check if a broker is regulated by the FSC Mauritius. Go to google.com, in the search bar, type FSC Mauritius and press enter. Open the official website. On the FSC Mauritius website, find the Supervision section in the menu. Under this section, click on Register of Licensees. Search for the broker's name. In the search field labeled Name, type 9X Markets. Click on Submit. View license details. You will see the broker's name, 9X Markets, along with the activity under which it is regulated. To view more details, click the eye icon on the left-hand side. Verify the information. You can now see detailed regulatory information about 9X Markets, including its license type, status, and authorized activities. Tip: always ask your broker for their regulatory authority and license number. Checking this yourself helps ensure you are dealing with a legitimate, regulated broker and not falling victim to scams.
Everyone's a trader.